Hello, it's TechBricks here. Today we're going to be doing a quick review and unboxing of the Nerf Rival Charger. We got the box with the Nerf Charger in it. It requires 6C type batteries. I am also going to be using an iFixit screwdriver set to tear it open, and I've also got a knife for also tearing into it. And out it comes. Wow. So here it is out of the box, nearly ready to roll. It just requires some batteries, and then we're gonna jump into the review. Yay! Oh my god! Yay! Delicious Happy Meal. What? There are 24 ammunition balls in total. They're so cute. I fix it! And then grab the thingy. In here is the unclogging mechanism, also the flywheels, which are massive. Here we have the rev trigger and the safety, also just the trigger. This is the slowing mechanism to put the balls in, and a very simple iron sight. Now we're going to see how she fires. Cut this, you hairy whopper! Now we're gonna go and check her for accuracy. For my review, I give it 5 stars, and shoots super accurate, comes at a low price, and well, it's a good Nerf gun. Probably the best battery-powered Nerf gun I have ever had. So go get yourself one on Amazon. And it looks like a P90. Stay tuned for other reviews, Nerf wars, and stop motion.